Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a butterfly lace crochet. As you can see here, I've made one of them. So let's get started. So I have my yarn here and I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to come here in my second loop, go through, pull through, make slip knot. Then from here going to make chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then in the same second loop here we're going to make double crochet. So yarn over, go through, pull through, pull through 2 stitches and again pull through, yarn over, so we have made the chain of base 3 double crochet and going to make chain of 2, 1, 2, then again 3 double crochet, see, this is how it's supposed to look like. We're going to turn over our work. We're going to do the right here at the center, you can see. We're going to make slip knot that way, then going to go again in the center, this stitch, pull through way, and over here again, last space, slip knot, then again we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3 to make 3 double crochet, you can see we have a chain of base 3 double crochet, then I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, then again 3 double crochet, then to turn over, and we're going to come here in this space here. So insert a hook, pull through, slip knot that way, pull through, slip knot, and here in the last one, pull through. Then you're going to make 3 double crochet again, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, 3 double crochet, then going to chain 2, make again 3 double crochet, turn over to come here, slip knot again in the second space, slip knot, last space, slip knot, same process, chain 3, then 3 double crochet, and see we have a base 1 2 3, chain of 2, 3 double crochet again, then turn over yarn. We're going to come again here in this space, pull through there, then second space here, pull through. We're going to come here, pull through, chain 3, to make 3 double crochet, into chain 2, 3 double crochet, you can see here, then going to come over here, then going to go here, space, a slip knot way, last stitch, then chain 3, three double crochet, then I'm going to chain 2, 3 double crochet, turn over to come right here inside the space and to make our slip knot. Come here right into the space, and again last one, to follow the same process. Chain 3, 3 double crochet, then chain 2, turn over. Going to go in the same space here to slip knot, in the same space, slip knot, slip knot, then I'm going to make chain of 3 again, you can see. So chain of 2, and here I'm going to come make our slip knot. So for closing, I'm going to come right there, you can see this is how it's supposed to look like. So I have the same one here, as you can see. It's a little bit short to show you how it looks like. So this is how it's going to look like. So in the beginning, you're going to chain 3 over here, and going to come into the second stitch and make a slip knot. Then you make 3 double crochet, and then inside you bring inside this the same space, you're going to bring your yarn and make 3 double crochet, then going to make chain of 2, 3 double crochet. Then when you come the other side, you're going to come over here in this space, as you can see inside here, this space here, which is in between this space here, you're going to make slip knot here, and the second one here, and the last one here. Then you're going to make chain of 3 and continue a 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 3 double crochet, and repeat the same process till the end, till you get this perfect butterfly crochet lace design. So you can use this for the border work of your shirts or your long dresses or your shawl or whatever you prefer to make a design. So if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.